Hi, my name is Tosikata and you're watching Higher Education Academy. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to search trending topics in Google. So first of all, you have to open Chrome and you have to install extension MS TubeBuddy, and it is official site of TubeBuddy. You can use install free version. When you install it, then you have to click that tool, click that button name as extension, and there is TubeBuddy. And next time you had to open YouTube, and there is the symbol of TubeBuddy, and open it. Now you have to search. When you open, you can see there that they had an option of keyword explorer, and then you have to push launch keyword explorer now, and you can see that what's trending here now. In that you can see now it's come on the page of the Google trending search bar, and you can see in June 23, 2020, 1 billion search has been done on Lil TJ, a rapper which is shot multiple times in New York, Jersey. And you can also search real-time search trend like that. And you can also change the location here according to your country. And if you click the link, it will tell you that how much articles are published on that time and what are the search ratio. And you can also see these all are tags which from which the video has been searched. And if you click that one, you can proceed to another page. In this page you can also see the places from where this tag has been searched, and all of these are related topic. And you can also search it from whether it was searched from web, image search, news search, Google shopping, or YouTube search. You can also compare it with another topic, and you can also change the time duration. If you want to see today or past hour, you can check it. So that's it for today. Stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.